guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. If this is your first time visiting my channel, hi, my name is Gilly James. You're definitely welcome to my channel. I appreciate you stopping by. For my returning viewers, thank you so much for your love and your support. Now, before I go into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please just scroll down the video. On your right hand side, you're going to see a subscribe button in red. Click that subscribe button and do not forget to turn on the notification bell as well, so whenever I upload a new video you will get to watch it. In today's video, I want to show us a home remedy how you can unblock your fallopian tubes. If you have been in the hospital and doctor have told you that your fallopian tubes are blocked, this is a home remedy for you. This home remedy, guys, this home remedy is tested and trusted. Now, I know a lot of men might be suffering the issues of fallopian tube blockage, and we all know that if your fallopian tube is blocked, especially both tubes are blocked, it's going to make it a bit difficult for you to conceive if you're trying to get pregnant. Now, in this video, once you do this home remedy, I can show you can go back to the hospital and run your test and check that fallopian tube again to see if it's blocked or not. All right, so I'm going to go straight ahead and show you the items, which of course you're seeing them already. This is Aiden fruit right here. This one was sent to me like this already, like cut into pieces like this. This fruit have a very strong smell. It is mostly used in West Africa. If you're from Cameroon, from Nigeria, you will know this particular Aiden fruit. We use it to cook our meals. In Cameroon, we use it to cook achu soup and some other food. In Nigeria, they use it to cook pepper soup and yam porridge. Okay, it's a very popular fruit that comes from West Africa. It has a lot of healing properties. In today's video, I'm going to focus on the benefits on how you can use it to unblock your fallopian tubes. All right, so this is Aiden fruit. I'm going to put a full picture on the screen so you can see the fruit I'm talking about. Okay, and this one is called uziza in Nigeria. If you can, let me bring it so you can have a close look. It's called uziza seed. It's kind of spicy, guys. It's spicy. It's a spicy food. And this one is called uda. All right, we use it in Cameroon also to cook our food, even in Nigeria. See, if you look at the spice I'm showing you very well, you will know what I'm talking about. You need these 3 items. Okay, you need these 3 items. So this is your Aiden fruit. You need 2 sticks of Aiden fruit, because the Aiden fruits, they come like on a stick, long sticks like that. So this is, I don't know, this quantity should be around 1 or 1.5 like that, because my sister sent it from me all the way from Cameroon, and she sent it already like cut like this, and you can actually preserve it for so long, you know. So you need this Aiden fruit too. And for the uziza, right, you need 10. Sorry, for the uda, you need 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so for the uda you need 10. All right, and then here you need the 2 sticks. You have to cut it into small pieces like this one, exactly like this. And for the uziza, you need 1 spoon. All right, you need 1 spoon of this. Okay, so this is actually the quantity that you need. 1 spoon of uziza, 10 sticks of powder, and then 2 sticks of Aiden fruit cut into small pieces. Put all of this into a pot. Then you need 4 liters of water. 4 liters of water. This is 1 liter of water here. This is 1.5 liter of water. This is another 1.5 liter of water. And this one, you're going to put take out some of the water and make it 4 liters. All right, you put all of that into a pot and you boil for 40 minutes. You boil for 40 minutes. Once you boil it, you take half glass in the morning, half glass in the night, 2 times a day. Okay, make sure whenever you want to take it, make sure you take it hot, not hot, very hot, like warm. Okay, make sure you take it warm. And because when you boil it, you're going to leave it in the pot. Don't put it in the refrigerator, don't store it in the fridge. Keep it in the pot. Make sure you warm it every morning, every night. Every time before you take it, make sure you warm it. Take all the content in the pot, like the 4 liters. Make sure you drink it all until it finishes, or if it gets bad, you can just throw it away. Usually if you're actually warming it every time, it won't get bad. So this is how you're going to take it to unblock your fallopian tubes. Once you take that 4 liters of water, you can go and check and run your tests and see the result. And this video is not only for fallopian tubes, it also helps to balance your hormone. If you have hormone imbalance, if you've been to the hospital, they have taken your blood, they have run some tests, they told you that your hormone is imbalance, do this home remedy and it's going to help you to balance your hormone. It's going to help you to boost overall fertility, guys. This thing I'm showing you right here, this thing right here, guys, is heaven. Like, we are so blessed. Africans, we are so blessed. And in any part of the world you are, you can actually go for where they sell spices. If you're in Africa, go to where they sell spices and get the pictures with you, show them, call the names. And because all of these items, different people they have their own names, that they call the spices. So if you can get the pictures, go to where they sell spices, ask them for these spices, you will definitely get them. I hope that you enjoy watching this video. Do not forget to share this video, and until then, guys, I'll see you again in my next video. Do have a great day. Bye.